Every year, more than 300 million tennis balls are purchased around the world. Globally, that's enough to fill 7 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Here in Australia, we go through 14 million new tennis balls every year. And most of them are not recycled. They go flat, we let our dogs play with them for a bit, and then wait till you see the Aussie innovation being served up at tennis courts near you.
As a tennis coach, I have about 1,500 balls in circulation at any given time, and they would only last us for about 3 months at the maximum, so we tend to be rotating through those. So that's a lot of buying, a lot of expenses there that we're going to have.
I came back to tennis after a little while, and I bought a ball machine. I bought 100 balls. They went flat in 3 weeks, and then I found out that the Australian Open is using 48,000 just in the tournament alone. So I thought there's got to be a better way. Maybe I can put the balls back in the can.
To be honest, it's a thought that's been had by many in the sport here in Australia. But rather than wishing there was a solution, David used his experience as an innovator to create a solution. And it began, as many great innovations do, in the garage of his home.
Tennis balls can't be reinflated like other balls. So as soon as you open the can, that's it. They slowly deflate. So I thought, what can I do to put them back in the can?
And so the quest began.
I actually went through my garage and found everything that could be pressurised. I got on Facebook Marketplace. I took trips all around Perth. I bought a pool filter, an LPG tank, piping. I ended up with a beer fermenter that can be pressurised to 30 psi, perfect. First prototype was a beer fermenter, and the second prototype we moved to an acrylic bulletproof glass solution, very strong and see-through. We're up to prototype 4, which is a bulletproof glass, 10mm acrylic material, but we're going to be moving to a prototype that looks like a can of balls, a big can of balls, which is kind of cool.
What is it you need to do to be able to prove that a tennis ball can be used again at one of these big matches?
Yeah, there's about 7 tests that the ITF do. The big one's the rebound test, so dropping a tennis ball from 254 centimetres and having it bounce between 138 and 151 centimetres. Well, a partnership with Curtin Uni, they've got some PhD students, in rubber. So using their knowledge and their ideas, we should be able to find the best way to do it quickly.
The Bounceback unit is designed for ease of use. Balls go in the top, secure the latches, and the pressure builds up. Eventually, the unit will be the size of a coach's ball bucket. Where are you up to?
A little bit more testing with the Curtin University, and all going well, continuing that fun by taking it to the Australian Open 25, with a small crew and sipping lemonade in the VIP box.
It's a brilliant idea, and Dave's got plans to recycle them one more time, but that's an innovation for another day.